This summer course is designed to bring international atmosphere at home. This is also the way to introduce the richness of Indonesia, and UGM innovations is shown at Science Techno and Agro Innovation Center. Finally, the course ended very well. We got a lot of information and new knowledge. Hopefully, this can encourage us all to contribute more.
BioTune project is a scientific project whose main goal is to develop a new generation of multifunctional biomaterials, trying to address the two major problems we have in implantology nowadays. The first problem is an incomplete integration of implantable materials with surrounding tissues, in this case with bone, and the second problems are bacterial infections. This is done thanks to the BioTune Consortium. The BioTune Consortium is made of 10 different institutions across the globe. We have partners in South America, in Peru and Argentina. We have partners in Europe, in Germany, in the United Kingdom, in Italy, in France and in Spain. And finally, we have also partners in Southeast Asia, more specifically in Malaysia and in Indonesia.
My name is Engin Vrana. I represent the French partner in the BioTune project, INSERM, and I also the CEO of the associate partner, Sparta Medical, a startup company issuing from the INSERM. We are in BioTune project as a laboratory that has been working in coatings for the last 20 years, and antimicrobial and cell instructive coatings are one of our main research areas. BioTune and Marie Curie exchange projects is a very good opportunity to establish contacts with the rest of the world. Implants are becoming more and more important in our lives because they are available for more people. Dental implants particularly are being used by hundreds of millions of people. In some countries above age 50, there are nobody without a dental implant, and this will improve. So we need to enable to control all kinds of complications related to these medical devices, implants, such as infection and chronic inflammation. And BioTune is a project designed to contribute to this problem.
Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Suti Hawa Ngalim from Universitas Science Malaysia, Penang. Our group is interested in the study at the biointerface. So our group actually doing the surface modification using micro-patterning, nano-patterning, just to improve cell interaction on biomedical devices. In terms of our contribution with BioTune, basically our group has been developing short peptides. Why does biomaterials, scaffolds and implants for us? And that's because we are not like lizards. We can't actually regenerate everything, our limbs, from scratch, decaying of our limbs. So that's the reason why we need the intervention from medical devices to help us to function again and improve our well-being again.
My name is Roberto Spurio. I'm from the University of Camerino, Italy. It's a small university in the central Italy. And in our laboratory, we deal with molecular biology of microorganisms. So our topic is to study the feature of bacteria, and in particular bacterial pathogens like Staphylococcus aureus. So my presentation here at the summer school was about this bacterium, which is a relevant pathogen, and it is among the most relevant pathogens according to the World Health Organization. So we are concerned with the production of this molecule that then eventually would be attach via linker to this material in order to make biomaterial which are good on one side for the eukaryotic cell attachment and on the other side to prevent the formation of layers of bacteria which could lead to infections and to pathogenic conditions for humans. So this is our role, and we are all working toward this direction, and in the future we plan also to have more tight collaboration with people who are working with this special coating strategies.
Hi, my name is Diego Palierola. I'm from the Institute of Nanosystems at the University of San Martin in Argentina. And my group research is focused on the development of different analytical tools to study different processes involving cell addition, both of eukaryotic cells and bacteria. This is quite important for us because it allows us to understand how cells interact with different surfaces. So my research interest in the BioTune project is mainly focused on in how we can study the interaction of cells and interactions of bacteria with the materials that are the implants. And in our group, we developed different analytical tools to probe these interactions. And our interest is how to develop the more efficient system that not only can detect this interaction, but also that they can mimic the features of bone in a way that we can get reliable information of these processes.
My name is Nerea and I'm coming from the Universitat Politécnica de Catalunya and I am part of the BioTune project.
Hi, my name is Ana. I come from Universidad de San Martin, Argentina, and I'm also a part of BioTune project. And we are actually really happy to be here on the summer school. It has been a grateful experience since we arrived. Everything is really nice. It's really different from our culture, so it's like a new experience, definitely. And also, we have visited the facilities of UGM, and we have found it to be actually amazing.
I feel really grateful to have the opportunity to be here in this summer school in Indonesia. And we have visited the laboratories, and I also think that they're very innovative and amazing. And they work in different fields related to biomaterials, same as in our universities. And also today we have the opportunity to listen to different talks given by different professors from other universities and also from universities from here, from Indonesia. And they were really interesting, and yeah, I think that we learned a lot about how they work on in the other group.
I'm Patricia and I'm from Spain, Barcelona. I'm actually part of the BioTune program in the UPC Barcelona. Very well. I'm so glad to stay here. It's my first time in Indonesia. Yes. So actually, it's the first time that I travel abroad from Europe. So I'm from Spain. So it was a very long trip, but it's really actually it's a very good experience. It's amazing, and the people is very, very, very kind. I'm very happy with all. Yes, and the food is amazing too. I want to repeat next year. Now I'm a little bit tired because we have a lot of activities. It was really fun, but I need to have a little rest. but I'm so happy to stay here with all my colleagues, my friends, Simona and Suntara, and all my friends again. So I'm very happy and thanks for the opportunity.
Okay, thank you.